Activity alter ego. Personal information. I can now from you two can know him disguised Ryusuke Takahashi as my favorite character in the initial day set. Ryusuke represents me in everything. Is an intelligent, competitive, studious person analyzing all the problems that might happen, and he's always one the deep vision of the people. I really like to compete at races that why the character that represents me in a night classes attitude achievement. I have to study hard to be great administrator. Every day I have been preparing to learn new things about motorsport. I have tried to be there every day. Trips I have wanted to travel to Mexico City to learn about their values. I have wanted to know the best vehicle factory that is in Stuttgart. Memorable experience. I have remembered a very special moment with my family. The best moment that I love life. I've been in Bogota with my friends and family. I have promised to have my best to be a great person, a great professional. Things haven't done. I have worked hard to start with my side project. I have lived the best moments of my life with my family and I hope it will be more years. Things we might do in the future. I might travel with my brother to Mexico. I might improve my studies. I might participate more in the sport extreme. I might, I might improve my economic situation.